Oh my gosh. Awesome! Woohoo! Woohoo! Welcome to Red Hook, Brooklyn. The month is September. The day is the 11th, or the night. The night of the 11th, September 2019. Can you see me? How about now? How about now? Got the spotlight on me. I'll dim it down a little bit. Feel like it's too bright. Let's dummy it down a little bit. Just a little bit of light so you can see me. Today is, well, tonight is September 11th, 2019. I'm here in Red Hook, Brooklyn. It's about almost midnight. Before it turns to September 12th, I want to share some footage with you guys. I'm not the only one out here. Turn down the lights a little bit. I've got Eddie with me. He's flying as well. Seen these on Amazon going for about 75 bucks with Prime. So we have the light, of course, very compact. It has this adapter here. Portrait, if you want to do portrait video photography, this is pretty cool. And then you can also remove it and attach it to the side if you want to do some landscape as well. So it has options. I usually use the landscape because I'm doing a lot of video. This is adjustable. It does move forward and up. We have an Allen key here. I'm thinking that's to tighten this up. This just in case it's too soft, you can tighten it up if you want. It also comes with another adapter. Lock it in, set your position of how you want this, and then lock the top and then lock the bottom to double lock it. And this little piece right here is my favorite. And this is pretty cool. You can pitch the light down, pitch the light up, and lock it in position right here. This always goes with me. As a matter of fact, when I'm traveling, I slip this just like this in my bag. So I can just slip it on my camera when I'm ready to use it. And the coolest part is my microphone can go on the adapter right here. And then this all connects to my camera. And I can vlog in the night with this light, which is pretty cool. At the back, it's got this nice little display here. That's the model number. The power button's right here at the top. You just power it on and the light comes on. And boy, oh boy, is this light bright. It has the battery life indicator right here. And it tells you how long the battery is going to last at the percentage at which you have it. So there's a mode button right below that. This is the power, this is the mode. You can jump between white balance. And then you can jump between the brightness of the two just by pressing the mode button. So let's say it's too bright, you jump at the brightness over there. There's a plus and minus button. The minus button will bring it right down, and you don't even have to tap. You can press and hold and it comes right down to 1%, 0, 1%. So you can get the light really low. It's fully adjustable. Press the mode button and then plus and minus. You can jump between soft light. Let's see if I can show you. Turn up the brightness a little bit. You can jump between soft light, cool like yellow light, and then you can bring it right up back to white light. Again, you don't have to tap all the time, you can just press and hold, and that is pretty cool. That's the only plug that I see, so I'm guessing once you plug this in, you plug it into your computer or to your brick, then it will charge. Stacking this little light up against my massive studio light over here is not really a fair competition. I mean, look at the difference. This is the bulb for my studio light. I mean, this is the bulb for it, and this is the entire LED light. I can't change the white balance. All I get is a bright daylight, and that's pretty much it. I can't turn it down, I can't turn it up. That's pretty much what I have with this, but I still like it. It costs about the same as this little portable light, so I definitely can't take this on the road with me. So yeah, let's see what happens. On 3, 2, 1. Ideally, this light should not be at the side, because on this side, as you can see, there's a lot of darks. The light should be behind me. I'm just really lazy and I don't feel like moving, but at least you can see the light at the side. You can see the light on this side. There's some shadows and stuff behind this drone behind me over here. You can see the shadows, and that's pretty much not the effect that I'm going for, but the effect that I'll get with the light on the right. I'm going to mount this and switch to this as my studio light. Bam. Now, this definitely isn't a mega size super bright studio light, but I definitely do feel like it, at least I'm visible, and it somewhat helps to get the job done. So this is the setup I have now. I just put it on a tripod. There are a lot more shadows here, as you can see, which means the light doesn't spread as far as the studio. But if you're in a dark place, and I mean, you saw how dark it was with the lights off, this can get the job done. And I think that's what's the most important takeaway over here. Regardless of what the situation is, how dark the place is, I know this light can get the job done, whether you're in the studio. And what's even cooler, because it's so portable, even if you're on the road, you're on the streets, you're vlogging at night, you're doing your thing, you don't have to ever worry about low light capabilities of your camera if you have this little light with you all the time. I highly recommend this light. Guys, check it out. I'll leave a link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Hit thumbs up, hit thumbs down, whichever one works for you. And I'll see you guys whenever I can. Bright fella. I'm still giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros or Zooms. Head over to my Patreon account, donate $1, become a patron, and automatically you're entered to win a chance to win one of 6 of those drones. Guys, let's make this happen. Come on, support me and help me support you.